crazy to think that just a year and some change ago, the concept of sales or a sales team at Notion didn't exist. We've really come a long way, making sure that our internal teammates understand the why. We all want to cheer each other on and get the big deal, and that's what ultimately salespeople wake up to try and do every day. I just had someone join our team, and we had a call with somebody at a very large company, and he was just ranting and raving about how much he loves Notion. My new coworker said, "Is that how all of these calls go?" And I said, "Well, not all, but surprisingly, majority." The more we learn from each other, the more deals we get to close like that, and the more high fives we get to have virtual or someday in the future in real life. We're kind of figuring out as we go, and that level of patience and understanding, but also willingness to contribute to the process is what's so gratifying.